The P0030 diagnostic trouble code indicates a malfunction in the heated oxygen sensor heater control circuit for Bank 1 Sensor 1. This is typically the upstream oxygen sensor located before the catalytic converter on the driver's side of V engines or the primary sensor in inline engines. The code specifically means the engine control module, or ECM, cannot properly control the heater circuit that warms the oxygen sensor for quick activation. This heater is crucial for reducing cold start emissions and ensuring accurate sensor readings. Addressing the P0030 code promptly is important because it directly affects engine performance, fuel efficiency, and vehicle emissions compliance. Ignoring it can lead to check engine lights, failed emissions tests, and potential catalytic converter damage. The main components involved in the P0030 code are the heated oxygen sensor, or HO2S, and the heater circuit powered by the ECM. Bank 1 Sensor 1 is the primary upstream sensor before the catalytic converter. The heated oxygen sensor measures exhaust oxygen levels to optimize air-fuel ratios for efficient combustion. The heater circuit is powered by the engine control module to quickly heat the sensor, ensuring fast activation and reduced emissions. Bank 1 Sensor 1 is the primary upstream oxygen sensor located before the catalytic converter on the driver's side of the engine. These diagrams show the electrical connections and system layout for the oxygen sensor components. The P0030 code has several common causes that mechanics encounter regularly. Most cases, about 60 to 70%, stem from electrical faults in the oxygen sensor's heater circuit. These electrical issues include open or short circuits, corroded connectors, and blown fuses in the vehicle's electrical system. The next most common cause, accounting for 20 to 30% of cases, is sensor failure due to internal heater burnout in the oxygen sensor itself. Rarer causes include ECM or PCM issues, making up only 5 to 10% of cases, such as software glitches or hardware failures in the engine control module. Environmental factors can also contribute, including moisture ingress, exhaust leaks, or poor quality fuel, leading to sensor contamination. In visual inspection for P0030, carefully examine wiring harnesses for any signs of damage such as fraying or breaks. Check connectors for corrosion, which can prevent proper electrical connections. Ensure fuses are intact and not blown as they protect the heater circuit. Look for anything that might indicate an electrical issue, such as melted insulation or loose connections. Step 3. Electrical testing. First, measure the voltage at the sensor connector. It should be around 12 volts with the key on and engine off. Next, use a multimeter to test the heater resistance. This typically ranges from 4 to 8 ohms for most sensors. A reading outside this range indicates a problem with the sensor or circuit. If electrical tests indicate the HO2S is faulty, replacement is necessary. The heated oxygen sensor must be replaced with a compatible part for your specific vehicle make and model. Parts cost typically ranges from $50 to $200, while professional labor can add $100 to $300. Always verify compatibility to ensure proper fit and function. After replacement, the vehicle should be tested to confirm the repair. After completing the repairs, the next step is to clear the P0030 code from the vehicle's computer using an OBD2 scanner. Once the code is cleared, take the vehicle for a comprehensive test drive. Drive under different conditions, including highway speeds and city traffic, to ensure the oxygen sensor heater is functioning properly. During and after the test drive, use a data logger connected to the OBD2 port to monitor the oxygen sensor's heater circuit and overall engine performance. This helps confirm the repair was successful. If the P0030 code reappears after clearing and testing, additional diagnostics will be required to identify underlying issues.